All objects emit electromagnetic radiation. We can use a plane transmission grating to study the spectrum of radiation. Look at the hydrogen discharge tube through a fine grating from a distance of about 1 meter. We can observe some bright-colored lines. This spectrum is called the emission spectrum of hydrogen. Now, replace the hydrogen discharge tube with a mercury discharge tube. Look at the tube through the grating again. Observe the spectrum obtained. Compare this spectrum with the one obtained before. Are they the same?